I'm going to share with you a walkthrough on how to get your IRB protocols backed up on your offline version. As we transition from IRB net to the Caillou's system for IRB tracking, we're required to download and store any particularly active protocols that may require a revision down the line so that you can re-upload them into the new system. In order to get this done, it takes several steps. I'm going to walk through two different things that you can do to make this function more effectively. The first is how to share your protocol with someone else so that if you need someone to do this work for you, you can offload that activity. And the second will be the steps required in order to actually download and back them up. So you log into IRBnet, click on the My Project screen. You should see a list of projects. These are just all my active or former existing protocols in the system. Let's pick one random one here. So this project that we're doing. In order to get this, first of all, if I want to assign this and all my other protocols to someone else, I can just go to this shared link right here on the main overview site. When you click on shared, it'll give you lots of information about what can happen. You just click on the share again, and it will bring up this option. It's already selected for Ball State, so I'm going to select Ball State, and then I'm going to search for a user, and I like Dr. Pearson to do all this work for me, so I'm going to punch that in. Dr. Pearson shows up. I'm going to give him only read access. They don't need any more access than that. Say testing system. This is just a note that will come through in the email to them. Then you save it, and they'll have access within a couple of minutes. So you can do this for all of your protocols that you want to back up, but you don't want to go through all the steps. And you can assign it to a GA or something like that. They can't, if you give them read access, they can't change your protocol. They can't modify anything. They don't need IRB clearance in order to see the materials because there's no data captured in any of this process. So the second step, once you have whoever's going to be doing the backing up, the second part of that is to go to two different screens within the IRB net space in order to download all your materials. The first is the designer screen. When you go to the designer screen, this has all of the materials that you have uploaded for the IRB to review and ideally have approved in the process. And as of yet, I haven't found an easier way to do this, but you can click on each of these documents and it will download them one at a time for you. Now, when they come, if it's a PDF, my computer will automatically bring it up in the PDF format. You have to keep, passing that along to your document folder. But all this stuff will download. And if I go to my downloads folder, which I'll bring over here, you'll see they're all accumulating right here. And I can just drop those into a folder to archive this particular protocol. And I would do that for every file in this protocol. So that's all my IRB documents. But there's one more aspect that you should have on file if you're dealing with an active or even a closed protocol in order just to have all the materials you need. You find that information under Reviews. When you go to Reviews, this will have all of your board documentation that has occurred. And again, you just click on the view and it will download it, and you'll have your evidence of your decision by the IRB, etc. And again, that will be in my downloads folder, and I'll put that in with all my materials. So that's how you do it for each protocol. It's a little bit more clicking than would be ideal, but so far I haven't found an option for downloading the entire protocol in one click. Have a good day.